How to find all the deleted apps on Android device. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Play Store, then click on your profile located on top right. To find your profile, you'll need to log into your account, then click on Manage Apps and Device. In here, click on Manage, and then click on this device and select Not Installed. You'll find Not Installed apps in here. You can also sort by recently deleted as well. After you select recently updated, you will find recently deleted latest one on top, and that's how you find all the deleted apps on Android device. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.